The crows just chased a squirrel away. Hello, crow, crow. I gotta stop making raven sounds at the crows. See, the crows were down here, and this is what they do. They stash food under chunks, right? Look at them all in here. And then they go looking for it, but they often forget, like, what's where. So little fuzzbomb squirrel comes along. They just chased him away. I wonder where he went. Which tree? Oh no, this is weird. Let's go in. Here's the swamp den. It's just about 100 feet away from, maybe longer, maybe 200 feet from the peakers den. Look at this. Look at this. See that? That bent branch? That wasn't like that. Is it their way of blocking this path? That's the path I went in. Did you guys block the path from me coming in this way? I get it. I totally get it. Look at this. Look at this thing. What's going on? Interesting. Okay, so remember I came in here and then I got anxiety and got away from, but right in there, there's a huge, like a room that's all encased in plants. They just love sitting in there. This is amazing. There's a bunch more stuff going on here. This tree right here in front of me. That one. They're messing with it. See how they've twisted and pulled the branches down? Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, this is very pretty. Above. Did you hear that? Could be woodpeckers. Could be woodpeckers. Hey, Tanse. It's me, Lindy. It's me, Lindy. How are you? How are you guys doing? See, den's right back there behind these trees. Oh, I'm coming in. Widen the screen. What's going on? Sure is greened up. Lots of leaves. Lots of greenery. Lots of shade. It's just after noon. See the path? Looking for toe jam. Awesome! Oh, you guys fixed the glyph. Nice. Look at these tiny little toe prints. See them? Could be an otter. But I don't know. There's another one. A bit bigger. Hiya, guys. It's another beautiful day. Here, can you see the glyph through there? They fixed it. And this has been cleared up somehow. How wonderful. You doing some house cleaning? Don't the cars bother you guys? There's this guy that comes here every day. I can actually see the tail of his car through the woods here. I'm going to show you. I just heard his door slam. Back through there. Every day that guy comes and parks and he stays there all day and he sleeps in his car. So I showed a guy yesterday, I uploaded a film today from the last time I was in here. And I showed this big guy that was, let me see if I can place where he was. And I realize now that I'm here that he was no bigger than me. He was just, you know, maybe 5 feet tall. Just little. So he was a youngster. And I've always felt like this was a nursery den, you know? One for where all the youngsters hang out. But then in some of my films, like there's big, huge guys laying on the ground, imitating logs. But then when you look close, you see that it's a big guy laying on the ground, you know? Look see, they pulled this tree way back. They lifted that. That big tree there. That's been lifted and heaved backwards because, see the mossy oak thing on the ground? Right there. That thing, that was behind it. Now it's underneath it. You guys just taking it easy? Both. Can I put my foot in here? Somebody just cracked wood behind me here. Oh my goodness, those cars aren't very far from here at all. Stick collection. Funky glyph. Yeah, they remade the glyph. That's beautiful. Nice. Dance it! See if we can see any pickers. Anybody peeking? I've got tiny little woodpeckers in the trees around me. I think there's a big fella right there. I don't know if they know what blow a kiss means. Love you guys. Be well, stay safe. So cool. Just taking pictures. Just taking pictures. Yeah, it's time for me to go. Peace. I'm gonna keep this on and walk out with it pointing behind me. I think my shirt freaks them out. My daughter got me a... My daughter got me this funky jacket with a big put on it. So I'm hoping it doesn't freak them out. Take it easy, you guys. See you soon. You don't have to throw stuff. Did you hear that? Somebody threw something. Take it easy. Oh, they busted the top off of that tree now. Look. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Okay, where am I? Mid-screen. Can't see a dang thing. Oh, it was a big raven. That's who was making all that noise above me. See the tippy top of the busted tree above the bowed branch. Okay, so if we go over here, they just cracked the top off of that one. Wonder where the top is. Maybe this is the top. No, that's connected to that tree. Maybe this is the top of that tree. Is it? Did you guys crack the top of that tree off and put it here? Because I really don't remember this tree being here. They did. This tree is the top of that one. Covered in ivy. Oh, these guys are amazing. And they just snapped it off and stuck it over here? No way it traveled that far being blown down by the wind. Just no way. That's a good 30, 40 feet. I knew that was weird looking. You guys are amazing, okay? Like, super strong. My mind is blown. You see that? They took that top off of there and stuck it there. Absolutely amazing. Because I know damn well there was no tree there. You could go back in my films. I defy you to find that tree sitting there. This is the entryway. Oh my gosh. Jeez. You guys are awesome. Peace. See you soon.